Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. A monopoly firm maximizes profit where MR equals MC, identifying Q sub M and P sub M. A per-unit tax increases marginal cost, shifting the MC curve upward and decreasing the equilibrium quantity. Loss. Part B. The socially optimal quantity Q sub C and price P sub C occur at the intersection of the demand and MC curves. P sub C remains above the average total cost ATC at Q sub C. Part CI, marginal revenue would be negative. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.